Okay, so I am making two different batches today. They're both going to be just a 5 pound batch, just 16 bars, that's it. But they are going to be, I didn't want to make, it was just easier to make a 10 pound batch and split it. I was pretty sure I could get the design all done without having issues. So anyways, this first one is going to be my cool crab. So let me put that down. This guy is going to go in on top of the sand. I extruded some, get them off, some seaweed pieces that I'll stick in there too. And then I'm just going to kind of do blue like the ocean and then a little decorative top. So this is just going to be a blue swirl. Basically, I want it to look like the ocean. Okay. And the goal is to get all the cracks filled so I don't have any air bubbles. That's my goal. No air bubbles. Air pockets, I guess I should say. Okay. Okay, let's see what we have. Oh my. I'm not quite sure this is what I was going for, but that's okay. Probably would have been better to just do all light seaweed, and this swirl is more pronounced than I was expecting or wanted. But it's still cute. The crab cracks me up. I'm telling you, putting glasses on objects that don't normally have them makes me smile. I really do like those soaps. I love the little sea and the crab crawling out of the ocean. So yeah, I'll take it. As I said, not quite what I was going for, but it's still cute. Man, that swirl is interesting. I don't think I've ever gotten a swirl like that when I don't know if I could if I tried. But yeah, I love the crab. The crab just cracks me up. So let me know what you think. I hope you like it. I said it was just fun making this one.